Welcome to Nature's Fury, your go-to source for extreme natural phenomena. Devastating storm hits. Henan, strong winds and torrential rain, ravaged China's heartland. At around 7 p.m. on September 20th, 2024, Henan province in China experienced one of the most violent storms of the year. The city of Zhenou, along with many other areas in the province, was hit by sudden strong winds and heavy rain, causing large trees to be uprooted and guardrails on the streets to collapse. The storm caused extensive damage and disrupted transportation in the daily lives of the people in its path. Many street vendors were still operating at night when the storm struck, unable to pack up in time. Tables, chairs, and other items were scattered everywhere by the winds. These vendors, who were hoping to earn extra income for their families, ended up suffering heavy losses. The despair they must have felt watching their belongings being blown away by the fierce winds is unimaginable. A night of fear and destruction. The storm was so intense that many residents in Henan were awakened by the howling winds in the middle of the night. Some were too terrified by the loud banging on their roofs to fall back asleep, fearing that their roofs might not withstand the force and could be torn off. Windows rattled violently, and groups of people had to work together to hold them shut. Some cars were crushed by falling tree trunks or damaged by flying debris and rocks. In particular, the combination of strong, convective winds and cold air resulted in sudden violent winds in areas like Henan, Xinjiang, Zhenou, and Kan. These regions are now on high alert for more sudden bursts of wind and convective activity. A sudden drop in temperature. By September 21st, the temperature in the city of Chenzhou dropped significantly following the storm. The region entered the core period of the cold front, with the highest temperature falling below 25 degrees Celsius and the lowest plummeting to around 15 degrees Celsius. This rapid drop in temperature has added to the challenges faced by residents already struggling with the storm's aftermath. Record-breaking wind speeds. According to the Henan Provincial Meteorological Observatory, between September 20th and September 21st, most parts of Henan experienced winds of level 8 or above, with some areas witnessing winds of level 10 to 11. A total of 743 weather stations recorded winds at level 8 or higher across 130 counties, cities, and towns. Of these, 41 stations in 24 counties recorded winds of level 10 to 11. The highest wind speeds were recorded at Menhe County, 30.7 meters per second level 11. Maya Anning City, 30.3 meters per second, level 11, and Qingaoshu County, 30.0 meters per second, level 11. Conclusion. The devastating storm in Henan has not only caused widespread damage to property, but also left residents shaken. The sight of uprooted trees, blown away rooftops, and destroyed belongings serves as a stark reminder of nature's overwhelming power. As the region recovers from this disaster, it is clear that vigilance and preparedness for extreme weather events must become a top priority to safeguard lives and livelihoods.